humingi ng saklolo ang PhilHealth sa private sector para mapunan ang mga pagkukulang ng kanilang ahensya. Ang detalye sa agenda report ni Sujin Kim.
I am really appealing for all your help. It's really very difficult. But I think in the 5 months that I've been in office, meron na naman pong nararamdaman yung ating miyembro.
Sa harap ng buong grupo ng mga top executives sa bansa, ang Management Association of the Philippines nanawagan ang chief ng PhilHealth na si Edwin Mercado na tulungang bunuan ang kakulangan sa supply pagdating sa serbisyo, pasilidad at teknolohiya sa buong healthcare system.
So it's not automatically translating to access. Yet, yung supply side is still lagging behind. And that's what I will be asking help. Usually is what I'm asking help from the private sector. And we are a progressive type of social health insurance. Social health insurance means everybody has a social contract.
Binigyang diin ni Mercado na tumataas ang demand sa serbisyong pangkalusugan pero naiiwan ang supply. Kulang ang ospital at gamot, kulang din ang systems.
When it has no longer the ability to continue as a going concern, which means the corporation is bankrupt. The corporation is bankrupt.